Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video, we are going to solve NCERT Maths Class 6 Chapter 4 Basic Geometrical Ideas Exercise 4.3 question number 3. So friends, without wasting any time, let's begin. This is draw rough diagrams of two angles such that they have 1 point in common, 2 point in common, 3 point in common, 4 point in common, 1 ray in common. Right, so let us start. So first we have for A. Now we have to draw two angles such that in each of them 1 point is common. Right, so let us start. So let us say this here, okay, and this to here and this. So this is our one angle, right? This is my one angle that I will call here A, B, C. Okay, this is done. Okay, now this one angle is made. This is our ABC, right? Now we have to make another angle so that what happens is, okay, so if I start again from this B point, okay, and make an angle here and make one ray here and call this also an angle, let us say D, and this point will be E, right? So now if you see the two angles which I have got are A, B, C, okay, this is one, and second one is our this D and B, DB, just a second, so we have DBE, right? So this is one angle. Now in this, if you see, the common point is what? This B and this B, right? So again 1 point common in both of them. So we have solved the A part. Let us move on to the B part. Now we will solve the B part. So this is 2 point in common. Now if I again start from this point, okay, to here and to here, right? So this is our one angle and I will call it ABC once again, right? So this is A, this is B, and this is our C point right here. Now in this you can see angle ABC is correct. Then if I again take this from point B and I draw only one ray now like this, and this point will be D. Now if you see in this, what can you see common? If you name these two angles, we have A, B, C. This is one angle, this and this, and second one will be C, B and D. In this the common points are this B and C. These are the two common points, right? So we have found two common points in two angles, right? Now we will solve the C part. Now next is this 3 point in common. So we need to draw any two angles which have 3 points in common, right? So let us start. Again, first you will draw this one single angle of as many degrees as you want, right? ABC, let us name it, okay. And again the solution which I am telling, there might be many other angles that you can form, not only that way you can do it, right? Now this is one angle, okay. Now let us make our second angle so that what happens, that in that we have how many points common? 3 points common. So if you see, I will make my second one like this and like this, okay, and this will be the D point, okay. Now in this, if you see, this will be ABC and this will be CBD once again, right? Now only and only 2 points are coming in common, right? So what if I write this point in the middle, right? This is what? Let us call this point E, okay. Now if you see, this is these are the two angles which are making up, right? And in this, if you see, this point B is common, point E is common, and point C is common. All these 3 points are common, so that means we have found our answer to the 3 points in common one. That you can see, this point and this point, all three are what? Common in both of these angles, right? Now let us solve the next part. Next part we have here is 4 point in common. Now same, we will first draw the angles like this, and from here to here, this will be one A, this will be B, and again this will be C, okay. Now in this, one angle is we have already made. Then let us draw our second one, okay. This will be D, right? Same thing. Now again, if you see ABC, CBD, only 2 points are common. B and C are the points which are common. We need to add 2 more points in this B and C points, so that there are 4 different points, right? So in that case, what we will do, in the previous one we have made an E over here like this. So now we have 3 points in common, this B, this E and this C, right? These are 3 points, but we need 4 points. So let us make one more point. Okay, this will be our point F. Now if you see B, E, F and C, all the 4 points are common as well. They are made up of need 2 angles, which you can see already. This one is also here, right? So don't forget to mark the angles, right? So common points here 4 we have already made. Now we will move on to solve the next part. Now next part is one ray in common. Now we will make 2 angles which will have one ray in common. First of all, you need to know what is a ray. You already know how we make a ray. AB, this is an example of a ray. Here this is a point, right? This is a point, and here we have an arrow. So this is an example of a ray, right? Ray. Now this thing has to be common in any 2 angles that we will make. Let us start. Again, first I will make this and this. So I will see A, B, C. Okay. Now you know one thing, that all the angles that we make, all of them are made up of rays only. Why? Because if you see this point B, okay, this is the vertex of your angle. From here till point A, this is one ray, okay. From here to point C, this is one ray, right? So in one angle there are 2 rays. Now they are often referred to as the arms of your angle, right? Now I will draw one more here, and this will be D. So I have drawn one more over here, ray, right? So this makes up 2 angles here, these and this. Now in this something has to be common. Now if you see this one, this B and C, right? Now if I name this angle A, B, C, this is one angle, okay, and another angle is C, B and D, okay. Now if you see here, in CBD what can you see, and in ABC what is here, BC and CB, this is common. Now what is this, you can see here to here, what is it, B and C, this is a ray only, you can clearly see. Here also only the points have changed, B and C, everything else is same. So this is a ray, and this is present in both of your angles, right? So that means what is the one common ray that we have? It is this one, which is B and C. This is the common ray in this angle ABC and angle CBD, okay. And this is how we have solved the last part. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon down below, so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also leave a like on this video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, wear a mask, maintain social distancing and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.